I searched every corner of a scrapyard, buried in twisted metal and forgotten dreams, and dragged home a beat-up Datsun 240Z, a name that time has almost erased from America's roads. A car that was once an icon, now reduced to nothing more than rusted steel. But that's not the whole story. Right next to it was a massive Mercedes V8 engine, waiting for something truly insane. Two pieces, two completely different worlds. And the big question is, what am I going to do with them? I'm going to turn this junkyard rescued Datsun 240Z into a real monster, with sky-reaching Gullwing doors and a roaring V8 heart under the hood. You might think I'm crazy, but trust me, when a classic car is built the right way, its power will make you rethink everything. In the previous episodes, after hauling this rusty 240Z home, I completely tore it down, sandblasted every inch, stripping away decades of rust, until nothing but a bare shell remained. And today, the build moves forward. I'm starting the body reconstruction of the 240Z. This isn't just a repair. This is a rebirth. Will it become a new legend? Or the biggest gamble I've ever taken? Let's find out. And just like that, the Junkyard Datsun 240Z has been stripped clean of rust, coated in a fresh layer of rust protection. And the body is already starting to look nothing like stock. But this is only the beginning. What's next? Of course, designing and building the Gullwing doors. So what do you think I should do next with this car? Drop your thoughts in the comments. They really matter to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode, as this monster continues to take shape.